Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm back to share with you how I made this scarf, the triangular scarf. This is inspired by petit, the Sophie scarf, so I tried to make the crochet version. So this is made initially as a triangle. There is a small trick on how to keep it thin, and then it is worked straight for a certain number of rows, then decreased again into a triangle to get the shape, the similar shape of the initial scarf. So I'm gonna I'm gonna show you how to make this scarf and explain further on how to achieve it with whatever measurement you like. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. I will make 2 single crochet in the first chain from the hook. Second chain. I will chain 1 single crochet in every stitch, which are 2 stitches. Chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 1, repeat. Total of 5 times, or 5 rows. So now on the 6th row I'm gonna make an increase. So 2 single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and I will repeat 5 times, 1 single crochet in every stitch. One, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1, and the 6th row is an increase. So every 6th row you make an increase of 2 single crochet in the first stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in every stitch, and followed by 5 rows of 1 single crochet in every stitch. You'll repeat that till you get 9 stitches in the last row, or at row 34. So this will be the last increase of the triangle with 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the following stitches. So in this row we're getting 9 stitches total, like I said in the beginning. So you can make it larger if you want by increasing more every 6 row. So now what I'm gonna do, from this row I'm gonna single crochet in every row with no increase for the next 100 rows. It seems to be too much, but it's very fast to work and to crochet. 100 rows will take you less than 30 minutes. And then I'll come back to show you how to decrease back into the triangle shape to finish off the scarf. So here I have finished 100 rows of single crochet total, and now we're gonna decrease to get back the triangle shape we started initially. So for that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 1 and I will turn. So it's very easy. In the start we did an increase of the single crochet. This time we will do a decrease, so we'll do 1 row of decrease in the beginning 2 stitches, followed by 5 rows of single crochet. So I'm gonna insert the hook into the stitch and pull through, insert the hook into the next stitch and pull through, and pull through all. And then I'm gonna continue with 1 single crochet in every stitch. Then I'm gonna chain 1, and from this row for 5 rows more, total 5 rows, I'm gonna only make 1 single crochet in every stitch. So again, every 6th row is a decrease till we are left with 1 stitch only. So here is the 5th row after the decrease, and now on the next row I'm gonna make another decrease. So I chain 1 and I turn. Okay, I'll turn this side, and again I'm gonna make 1 decrease. And I will follow with 5 rows of single crochet only, and after 5 rows I will repeat 1 row of decrease. And this is how it looks so far with the decrease, and we're gonna continue for a few more rows. So here I'm gonna do another decrease, and I will continue with single crochet. Now is another decrease again. So the purpose to follow with 5 rows is to keep the shape of the triangle as long as possible, so it gives that look of the scarf. Another decrease, the one before the last. So we're left with 2 stitches. We continue for 5 rows, single crochet. And here is the very last decrease, and we're gonna fasten off. That's all. And I'm gonna hide the thread later on. This is the scarf complete, and this is the single crochet scarf, Sophie scarf inspired from Petit. This is how it looks like. So I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.